Baba Nkulunkulu Simakade, ngiyabonga Thixo Somandla ungena nami kule nyanga kaJune njengoba kumhla ka-1 namhlanje. Busisa Baba abantwana bakho umhlaba wonke jikelele. Ubusise kakhulukazi izingane zami, LJ uNombuso uthandiwe, Uzene Njabulo, nomzukulu wami uLindani Theodore Doli Kangese. Ubusise ugogo wabo uLinda Sebezo. Ubusise mina Thembinkosi Mfana Jones Hlophe. Busisa Baba nabasekhaya eMlazi kwa-H, udadewethu Lindiwe Hlophe, udadewethu Phindiwe Msabala, udadewethu uTotozi Msabala, nabashana bami Nkosi yami bonke kwa-H kwaMalume. Ubusise Baba nezingane zasekhaya Ophiwokuhle Msabala nabo bonke abakhona kwa-R section. Ubusise bonke abantu bakho emhlabeni Thixo Somandla, bakhanyisele indlela zabo. Iba nathi Nkosi yami sikhanyisele Baba indlela, nokuswela umsebenzi Baba kuyeke, kupheze, kudede, ukhahlele Baba imimoya emibi emagcekeni ababa la kwaHlophe eKensington nakwaHlophe kwa-H eMlazi nakwaMsabala kwa-H eMlazi nakwaMsabala kwa-R eMlazi nakwaButhelezi enzansi kwasekhaya kwa-R kwagogo kaSifiso noSimangele. Ubabusise Baba bekhona eKatlehong, uSimangele udadewethu nomyeni wakhe Nkosi yami no-Amahle noXoli ube nabo ngegama laJesu Kristu. Ngiyakubonga Thixo Somandla. Amen.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Former actor Umfana Jones was seen praying ko video yakhe la iposte lapha ku TikTok bekathandaza praying for himself and praying for people njengoba kusaqala inyanga, and people made him a laughing stock bamhleka bathi so khona nokuthandaza. Now that so really guys, really, and into lengahlekisa ukuthi like he actually prayed for everyone. Some of the people abahlekako laphana, they don't even pray. Yes, angabuwile, but the good thing ukuthi akamkhohlwanga uNkulunkulu or ngisho akukubi akamkhohlwa. The fact that uyathandaza and is not ashamed ukuthi uyathandaza, that means something, man. I don't know ukuthi why bantu bamhleka. And Nkosi yami, one thing you should know as a person ukuthi unqaba le ndoda alihleka and awumhleki lowile, because lowile akasawi but lo setula ngawe. So I really don't understand why bantu abahlekisa ngaye. I'm just sending him love and light. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I am signing out. Goodbye.